At Patrick Mini, we know a car is more than just a tool to get around. It's an extension of your personality, and few vehicles can represent that better than the Mini hatch. Let's take a look at how this iconic model has evolved over the years. When BMW reintroduced Mini in 2001, it sparked something special. The first modern Mini hatch, known as the R50 and R53, blended classic British design with modern performance. From the signature round headlights to the contrasting roof, it stood out instantly. And behind the wheel, its tight handling and responsive steering delivered the legendary go-kart driving feel. For many drivers, this was their first experience with Mini, and it left a lasting impression. In 2007, the second generation, the R56, took things even further. With turbocharged engines, improved efficiency, and a more refined interior, Mini elevated both performance and comfort. It kept its playful personality while offering a more premium driving experience. This was the generation that made Mini not just fun, but practical for everyday life. Then in 2013, Mini introduced a whole new chapter with the F56. Built on a new platform, it offered more space, more technology, and a smoother ride, without losing the character drivers loved. A redesigned interior, updated infotainment system, and modern styling brought Mini fully into a bold new era. This generation struck the perfect balance between heritage and innovation. Today's Mini hatch continues to build on that legacy. With advanced safety features, seamless connectivity, and refined performance, it's more versatile than ever. And for those ready to embrace the future, there's an all-electric Mini for you, delivering instant torque and zero emissions with the same unmistakable Mini feel. From its modern rebirth to its refined evolution and today's innovation, the Mini hatch has remained true to what makes it special: individuality, performance, and fun. And at Patrick Mini, we're proud to be a part of that journey, helping you find the Mini that fits your lifestyle best. Whether you're discovering Mini for the first time or upgrading to the latest model, your Mini journey starts here. Visit Patrick Mini in Schaumburg today, or view our inventory online by visiting patrickmini.com.